Hi children, very good morning to you all. How are you all? You all fine? Very good. Happy to hear that. I hope you all safe and fine at home. Okay, shall we start the class? Okay, before start the class, what are the morning daily practice? Yes, name card reading, self-introduction, keywords, rules, phonics, and weather update. Very good, super. So this is the end of the month. We're going to finish the concept and next class on a new concept and new materials I'll show to you and have a fun and enjoy the classroom. Okay. And today one more story I'm going to explain you. We're going to interact them. Okay. Ready? Yes. Previous class last month we had one story. Know what is that? Anyone remember? Yes. What is that? Yes, Hare and the Tortoise. Very good. Super dear. And today also I plan to share one more story. Okay, do you all like story, right? In whom, with whom you are sharing your own story? Yes? Grandma? Very good. Sometimes daddy, mummy, yes, very good. You can create your own story and you can share with your parents, friends and grandparents, okay? And today I am going to share Lion and the Mouse. Yes. Which animal is king of the forest? Lion. It's very ferocious, right? Yes, it's rover. I feel very fear to go near with them, isn't it? Yes. And what about the mouse? He's very friendly and very small, doing such a naughty things. Okay, very fastly ran here and there, isn't it? Yes. So lioness look like big and mouses look like very small. Do you know what happened? One day the lion was sleeping in his den. We all have a home, no? We call home, house, isn't it? Yes, flats. We have some names we are calling that according to that, isn't it? So, but lion house name is den. What is the lion house name? Den. So the lion is sleeping at this den. Okay. So where do you sleep? Like that, this lion is sleeping. So on the way, one small mouse, no, it's roaming here and there. It's roaming here and there. Suddenly, it's not unknowingly, is over above the lion body. Is over above the lion body and playing. Like that playing. So what happened? The lion is sleeping. No. It's got disturbed. The lion is doing shaking the body like that. But the mouse never bothered about it again. Is playing above the lion body. Then what happened? The lion got disturbed. Then he's got open her eyes and feel very angry. Who's disturbing my sleeps? And get up and searching. Then looked at near little mouse was very fiercely shaking their hands, legs and standing. I only speaking. The lion is very angry. Suddenly his lion was catch the mouse. Yes, and he's asking that you only playing on my body. I'm going to catch you with my paws and eat. Suddenly he's catching with the paws. Paws. What is that? Paws. He's feeling very fear. Mouse got shivered. No, 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 no. No, lion. No, lion. Please don't eat me, lion. Please don't eat me, lion. So mouse got very fear and asking, shaking their voice. No, 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 no. Don't feel. Don't eat. Don't eat. Then the lion was thinking, okay, this time I'll let you go. Next time if you are doing very naughty while I'm sleeping, surely I catch and eat. Then the lion threw the mouse away. Then mouse ran away at the home. So again the lion started. Yes, the lion was very hungry. Then he go around the forest and search the food. What happened? He's going to around the forest and search the food. But nothing was happening. So suddenly the hunter means they catch the animals. Okay, The hunter is making a net around the forest, around one place here. Yes. So the lion unknowingly got stuck in the hunter's net. So he got inside the nest and going, oh, I can't move, I can't walk. He's shouting, help, help, someone help me, someone help me. The lion was shouting. So the mouse ran away at home. No, he heard that some sound. What sound is this? What sound is this? Oh, I thought it's lion sound, roaring. So lion roared. Okay, then the mouse ran and come and searching here and there, and finally he saw that the lion got stuck on the hunter's net. So he's feeling scared. The lion was very scared and inside the net. So the mouse said, wait, lion, please don't fear about it. Look at it. I have sharp teeth. Then I'll bite the net and get you free. Said lion said, okay. Then the lion very fastly working on that. Go near to the net and start to bite the net. Then all the net was break up. Then the lion came out of the net. Then the lion feeling very happy. Oh my God, my life was safe. They're feeling so happy. Then immediately go and handshake the mouse. Thank you, mouse. Because of you, I am alive. Hereafter, we both are very good friends. Thank you so much. You are saving my life. Then after that, lion and the mouse was very thick friends. Yes. What do you understand the story? Can you see the picture now? Yes. Come near to them. Then we can watch. Yes, look at the picture. The lion was sleeping, the mouse playing above the lion body. The lion get up very angry face and try to catch the mouse. And what happened? Then the mouse is asking, no, please leave me, I will help you sometime. Then the lion is let him go. Then after that, what will happen? The hunter is making net in the forest. So after that, lion was searching the food in the forest, right? So that time the lion got stuck on the hunter's net. See there? Yes. After that, what will happen? He's shouting, no, please, someone help me, help me. So at the time, who will come and help? Yes, mouse will come and help him. See here, he's biting it. With his teeth sharp, is biting the net. Then the lion come out of the net. And finally what happened? They both are very good friends. So lion thanked the mouse. Why? On the day the lion not ate the mouse, let them free, no? Yes, he remembered that help and he giving back to the help for the lion. Yes, after that both are good friends. Yes, what do moral of this story? We should always help others. See here, on the day lioness not ate the mouse, let him free. Then this time the mouse helped the lion. Both are helping each other. Yes, like that we have to help each other. Yes, do you all like the story? Yes, I hope you all like the story. Super. And previous class I am asking on riddles, no? Have you remembered that? Yes, what riddles? I am a national animal. Even I have black stripes and yellow body on. What is that? What animal? Yes, tiger. Yay! Clap everyone. Super. Good. Okay, today also I am going to share one more. Okay. I am a king of the ocean. Okay, I am a king of the ocean. Okay. I have very big size. I am in grey color. You can find the answer and get back with me next class. We will meet. Okay. Okay. Before ending the class, we can say the story one time. Yes. Lion and the mouse. One day, lion was sleeping in his den. The mouse ran over him. The lion was angry. He got up and catch the mouse in his paw. The mouse said, Mr. Lion, please don't eat me. I will help you someday. Said the lion, free. Next day, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. Then the lion started roaring, help, help, help. Yes, the mouse here, Lion Rover. The mouse came and cut off the hunter's net with his short teeth. Set the lion free. Lion thanked the mouse. This story teaches us we should always, yes, help others. Yay, super. So go and share the story with your family members. Bye bye.